Hi guys, welcome back. Let's explain again this BidFi Super Airdrop. So let's visit this So guys, it's not too late to join to this BidFi Super Airdrop. So I drop my link below on the video and hope you guys register so you can participate also in this kind of airdrop. So let's visit in progress the total reward pool. So ang reward pool niya is 600 million Shiba Inu. So ang participants natin dito is 2,058. So calculator, tingnan natin sa calculator kasi 600 million, this is just an example guys. Divide 2,058, so each person can have a 291,000 Shiba Inu. Kung yan, if this is equally have their BYD point so pero hindi yan equal, this is just an example. For example, you have a large amount of BYD points, so you can get a large share on this 600 million Shiba Inu. So question, how to get BYD points? Okay, how to get BYD point? So this kind of airdrop have a different so how to get BYD points. So if you recruit friends, you can get 10% of your friends BYD points earning. Okay, that's the first level teammates. 10% guys, 10%. So sa second okay, so punta tayo dito sa task. So this is guys easy task kasi you just need to check in every day to collect BYD points. So day 1, day 2, and the day 7 is times 10. So 10 BYD points if you completed this on consecutive 7 days. Okay. And created coin list, which is already ended. This event is already ended, but still you can create a coin list guys. And join community reward. So you just need to join BidFi communities and follow their socials. Okay, and set face ID reward and get 10 BYD point. So ano yung challenge nila dito So yung challenge is spot trading task. Kailangan mo lang makakumpleto ng spot trading and trading volume na 10,000 USDT, and makakakuha tayo ng reward dyan na 10 BYD points. And for the 7 days perpetual contract trading challenge naman, kailangan nating mag-trade and makakakuha tayo ng BYD points. So for example, 50,000 get 20, 100,000 get 40, 200,000 get 80 BYD point, and the last is deposit task. So you just need to deposit and make a volume of 10,000 and get 10 BYD point, and so on. So ang pinakamalaki mong makukuha dito is deposit $50,000, mayroon kang trading volume na 200,000, and makakakuha ka na dito ng 200 BYD point. And sa center man guys, this is like the BidFi mall. Okay, so here you can exchange your BYD point to coupons, trading bonus, and the iPhone 14. Okay, iPhone 14 guys. And sa lastly event so they have also a lucky wheel where you can win trading bonuses, voucher, iPhone 14. So draw is 20 BYD point per draw. So one spin, 20 BYD point. Ayan. imagine guys, your first spin, you win this iPhone 14, ano. So I can't say anything, you're just a lucky man. So anyway, let's go back, and they also have the predictions, which is you just need to predict whether going up or going down. So you need to place your bet here. This is the countdown, guys. This 47 minutes is the countdown. Once this is finished, you need to place a bet, ano. So let's try this one. So place bet 10. Done. Palitan lang natin. Wala pala yan. Okay. And you just need to bet. That's it. If you win, so the pay is type 00. So kailangan natin ng magandang pay sa BTC tayo. Up, down. Oh, I see. So guys, this event will start in 46 minutes, ano. So if you guys want to use this prediction and you have a good sight in the market, please join this betting. So that's it. Hope you guys participate on this event, and if you want to trade on futures, you just need to click these futures, and BitFi offers 200 times leverage. And for the invite, if you want to check how many invites do you have, so in my case I have already 365 friends, and this is my referral code, invitation code, and this is the total commission I earn on BitFi. So guys, hope you use this BitFi platform. I know this is a very easy and friendly platform. Umbaga, isa siyang beginner friendly. It's your dream trading platform. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video, and happy trading.